Hi class, I'm Hong Lei and this is Machine Learning for the Absolute Beginner. Today's topic is about understanding vector normalizations. So let's get started. So on the screen here, I have some code already for you to see. We have a vectors 3, 4 in a two-dimensional space. What we'd like to do is we want to normalize these vectors or turn it into a unit vectors. So how does this work? First of all, we have to understand what current the norms of this vector is. So if we have the print of the norm, right, we can just use the norm from NumPy linear algebra, and I just say put v here, print it out. It's going to give you a 5. And for some of you who really want to know what is the calculation behind calculating the norm, we know that the norm is going to be equal to the square root of all of the sum of all of the square of the components of the vectors. So it's going to give you the same result. Okay, so we want to use the norm for abbreviation. Okay, now in order to draw the unit vectors, I'm going to call this v1, and what I like to do is I will normalize it by each of the components of the vectors. So here I'm going to normalize 3 by norm of v and 4 by norm of v. Okay, and when we draw this, we can just copy this v1, and we're going to say 3. It's going to give you the unit vectors, and this unit vectors is, by the way, it's going to be in the same direction, except for the length of it is going to be equal to 1. And how do I know that? So I'm going to just print out this norm here, print the norm of v1, and you see it's equal to 1, same direction. So that's why we normalize vectors, meaning the direction stay the same, but the length changed to a unit of 1 for simple calculations. That's all I have today. Talk to you soon.